Alright, so in this problem, I have 500 squared minus 499 squared. So, I actually have two methods to solve this problem. So, for method 1, first start by rewriting this, 500 squared minus 499 squared. And, well, first off, I'm going to rewrite 500 squared. So 500 squared, this is the same thing as 499 plus 1 squared. And if I have something in the form a plus b squared, this is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So in this case, a is 499 and b equals 1. So this turns into 499 squared plus 2 times 499 times 1 plus 1 squared. And now this is equal to 499 squared plus 998 plus 1. And remember, at the end here, I have negative 499 squared. So now we can add that back in. And 499 squared minus 499 squared, these two cancel out. So I'm left with 998 plus 1. And this is equal to 999. So that is the first method of solving this problem. Now for method 2, I'm going to rewrite my problem. 500 squared minus 499 squared. And now this time, last time we rewrote 500 squared, right? This time I'm going to rewrite 499 squared. So 499 squared is the same thing as 500 minus 1 squared. And if I have something in the form a minus b squared, this is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So, in this case, a is 500 and b is 1. So this is going to turn into 500 squared minus 2 times 500 plus, minus 2 times 500 times 1 plus 1 squared. And this simplifies to 500 squared minus 1000 plus 1. And now we can go back and replace 499 squared with this. So we get 500 squared minus 500 squared minus 1000 plus 1. And this is all in parentheses, by the way. So now this is equal to 500 squared. And now we're going to distribute the negative sign. So if I distribute the negative sign, that's basically like multiplying these terms by negative 1. So negative 1 times 500 squared is negative 500 squared. Negative 1 times negative 1000 is positive 1000. And negative 1 times positive 1 is negative 1. Now these two 500 squares cancel out. So I'll be left with 1000 minus 1. And 1000 minus 1 is 999. So again, I get 999 as my answer. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation x to the power of x to the power of 6 is equal to 27. So to solve this, I'm going to first rewrite this as x to the power of x to the power of 6 is equal to 3 to the power of 3. And now from here, this is the same thing as x to the power of x to the power of 6 is equal to the cube root of 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3. Which is equal to the cube root of 3 to the power of 3 squared. Because 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 is the same thing as 3 squared. Now from here, I get x to the power of x to the power of 6 is equal to the cube root of 3 to the power of the cube root of 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 2. And this is equal to the cube root of 3 to the power of the cube root of 3 to the power of 6. Meaning x is equal to the cube root of 3 because it's in the form x to the power of x to the power of 6. So x in this case is the cube root of 3.